Observe my lid. Well, you can't see much of it because it's hiding under the hood. And let the magic unfold. See my lid space now? Well, actually, it's no magic because it's the lid tape. Today, I'm going to be showing you how, when, and why you can use a lid tape to lift your lid space. So if you're ready, let's begin. Now let's look at what happens with hooded eyes. If you look straight in the mirror and if you cannot see much of your lid space because it's hiding under some extra skin, which we call the hood, then you might have hooded eyes. Hooded eyes are common and normal, but when you apply eye makeup, you might not be able to see it because your lid will be hiding under that hood. That's when a lid tape can help. So what's a lid tape? It's a piece of tape that you stick on your lid to lift the hood. So when you apply eye makeup, you'll be able to see it. The one that I'll be using today is from a brand called Cutie Cuter. I'm going to link this in the description box below. I like this tape personally because it's small and it's transparent because it's a mesh tape and it's water activated, so it's very easy to use. If you observe my eyes, you'll see I have uneven hooded eyes. My right side looks completely different from my left. The crease on my left side is way higher than the crease on my right side, and my right side is more hooded than my left. So the first thing that I'm going to do is even out both the lid space using some concealer. And the one that I'll be using is the Milani concealer in the shade 145. I'm just applying a tad bit on both the eyelids and I'm going to even it out using a concealer brush. And before the concealer creases, I'm going to lightly set it with a translucent powder. I'm using Airspun today, but you're welcome to use any translucent powder. After using the concealer, you'll see that my eyes look more even than before. And now I'm going to be using the lid tape, so let me pull you closer. When I lift my brow, you'll be able to see a line that cuts right across my lid. That is the fold line or the crease. I'm going to stick the lid tape right on that line so it lifts the fold. Because the lid tape is water activated, I'm going to quickly spritz some water. The set comes with a spray bottle. It becomes sticky almost immediately, so I'm going to stick it on top of that crease line. It also comes with plastic tongs and I can't find it right now, so I'm going to use my wooden tongs to push it in. And that'll create a new crease above my natural crease and give me more lid space. You can see how much more lid space that creates. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after, and what a big difference it makes. You can of course use the lid tape as is without any eye makeup to lift your droopy or hooded eyes. And the tape itself doesn't look bad at all. It almost blends in with your skin. But the actual use of this lid tape is when you apply eye makeup. So let's go ahead and apply some. I'm going to start with the lighter shade of matte brown in the outer corner and the outer crease just to warm things up. And then I'm going to deepen the outer corner with a deeper shade of brown. I'm just using neutral shades here because it's just convenient and it's universal, but you're welcome to use any color, any matte, any shimmer shadow that you prefer. And then I'm going to highlight the inner half of my lid with a lighter metallic shade. Now when I look straight in the mirror or keep my eyes open, you can barely see the eye makeup again because it's hiding under that hood. So let me go ahead and use a lid tape. Again, I'm going to be sticking it right on top of that crease line. I like to use it right in the center of my lid. That way it gives me a good lift right in the center. You're welcome to use it in the outer corner as well. And now all of a sudden you can see the eye makeup because I have the lid tape on and it's giving me a bigger lid space. Let's compare it with the before one more time. And here's after I use the lid tape. And you can see how much of a difference that makes. I personally prefer to use a lid tape after I'm done with the eye makeup. It sticks well, it sits well, it just looks better. Some people prefer to use the lid tape first and then apply the eye makeup. You can do that as well. For me personally, I found it more difficult to blend out the eyeshadows when I already have the lid tape on. Sometimes it tends to lift. So it works better for me to use it after I'm done with the eye makeup. I want to do a before and after from a distance. So this is how it looks before I use the lid tape. And this is how it looks after I've used the lid tape. And you can see how much of a difference it makes. Of course, I have my lipstick on in this. And I love that ombre lip color. Isn't it beautiful? Going back to the eyelid, you can see how much of space I have as compared to before. The tape itself is very gentle on your lids and skin. It doesn't cause any harm or wrinkles or any such. I've used it for special occasions for the past 20 years without any problem. And it's very easy to get it off as well. All you need to do is lift it from the corner. I'm just using a pair of tweezers and I slowly pull it off. The lid tapes are one-time use and throw. You cannot reuse them, but they're pretty inexpensive. I think I bought 150 pieces for about $8. And these come for a long time because I personally like to use them only for special occasions. And I've had this for the past 3 years and I still have quite a few left. I know many of you wanted to learn more about lid tapes and how they work. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let me know in comments what else you'd like to watch, and if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to thumbs up. Do check out the description box for all the products that I used today, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.
Whoa.